If you're experiencing a verification pending status on CoinEx, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the verification process effectively. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have received any verification emails from CoinEx. Sometimes, the verification process requires you to confirm your email address before proceeding. Step 2. Review submitted documents. Log into your CoinEx account and check the documents you submitted for verification. Make sure they meet the platform's requirements in terms of clarity and validity. Step 3. Resubmit documents. If your documents were not accepted, prepare to resubmit them. Ensure they are clear, legible, and meet the specifications outlined by CoinEx. Step 4. Contact support. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support or resubmitting documents, be patient. Verification can take time, so monitor your email for updates regarding your account status. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on CoinEx efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.